I'm Miss Carly.
I'm Miss Savanna.
And welcome to our summer reading program, Tales and Tales. And we're ready to have fun with Activity 2 from our Grab and Go activity kits.
Special thanks to the Friends of the Buckeye Public Library for sponsoring this free kit.
That's right.
This week's theme is Animals of the Savannah.
That's right, and savannas are known as tropical grasslands, and they remain warm year-round. And 65% of Africa houses vast grasslands and animals.
Some animals that live in the savannah include lions, gazelles, zebras, elephants, rhinos, and giraffes.
That's right. And today for our activity, we're going to show you how to make Animals of the Savannah Shadow Puppets.
The supplies you will need this week from your kit are the paint kit,
Your shadow puppet template,
you get 4 craft sticks,
scissors, and glue. So go ahead and grab your packet and turn to page 10, where there'll be instructions for Animals of the Savannah Shadow Puppets. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is cut out all of the pieces from all the animals from your kit. Just do your best. It doesn't have to be perfect. So go ahead and cut those out with your scissors. And then you're going to take your craft sticks and glue them, all 4, onto the back of each of the animals like so. Once the glue is totally dry, then you can decorate your sticks with the watercolors or other coloring supplies that you have at home. Now, find a dark room and grab a flashlight and shine it on your shadow puppets. Look at all those awesome shadow puppets. Don't have a flashlight? Try using the sun outside as your source of light and cast a shadow on the ground.
And here's a bonus challenge. Come up with a story about these 4 puppets and tell family and friends. Use the shadow puppets and demonstrate.
Yeah, I have a great idea. I have a giraffe and a rhino, and they become best friends, and I'm going to tell about all the adventures that they go on in the savannah.
That's cool. My lion too had a long journey, and his friend the elephant went with him.
That's great. So just have fun making your Animals of the Savannah Shadow Puppets. Once you've completed your activity, take a photo of your project and email it to library@buckeyeaz.gov to earn 15 points towards your end of summer reading goal of 1,000 points so you can earn prizes. Or you can bring it into the library or bookmobile to earn 25 points.
Just for watching today's video, you get 20 points by entering the code above maricopacountyreads.org.
We hope you guys had fun creating your shadow puppets. Make sure to check out all the activities in your packet about the animals of the savannah, including recommended books, definitions, reflection questions, games, and more. See you guys next week.